Hobby Hub. So in today's video you are going to see that how to do mandala coloring in this type of design. So this book I have ordered from Amazon. If you want to buy, you may buy. The link of this book is given in description box, and with this I have also ordered a dot painting book. The book I will reveal in another video. So let's start with this video. So first I have taken this one design, so I will do this one. So take a color which you want, like here I have taken pink to fill the center, and the main point is you have to go from inner to outer, okay, like this, then this one to outer. So first I'm going to fill this one. By the way, I'm using brush pens in this, and I have done pink. Now in this I'm going to do red. Sorry. Do it slowly. Is ready. I have made two more. I will show you. Wait. So this is, and after this is. So if you like my mandala art, hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And the link of this book is given in description box. If you want to buy, you may buy. Bye. See you in next video.